Have you ever looked at the bottom of one of your favorite pans and thought there is no way we are actually going to be able to get this clean? As you can see, there's some baked on grease. There's just years of buildup, and I love this pan, but let me show you guys how we're going to restore this so you don't have to throw this pan away and go get a new one. We're going to restore it like new. This is pretty darn simple on how we're going to restore this if you have the right tool. We're first going to use something very, very simple. What I have right here is some Scotch-Brite heavy duty pads. Now, don't go to Amazon and just order the first thing that you see. For example, this one actually came from Amazon and it's so much thinner. Let me show you the difference here. As you can see, there is a huge difference between the Amazon ones and the actual brand name Scotch-Brite ones. So throw that one away and make sure you're getting this Scotch-Brite one. So the first thing that we want to do is go ahead and just get that scoring pad a little wet. We're going to go ahead and just start with just the scoring pad right here and see what we can do. Wow, look at that. You can see right there, it's already starting to come off. Now, if you wanted to go ahead and add some soap to this, you definitely can do that. But I'm just gonna go ahead and start scrubbing this right here. And as I can see, when we get to this spot right here, we're gonna have to probably add. All right, so I put on some gloves just so I don't really ruin my hands here. And next we're gonna be using, this is Barkeeper's Friend. I love this stuff. This is gonna work really good. So I'm gonna go ahead and get my pan wet. And then we're just gonna go ahead and put some on top. Okay, that was a little hard to get out. And then we're gonna use that same scoring pad and we're gonna just bring it on top. Now this should make it a lot easier to get off, so we will see. But I do need to get it a little wet, so make sure it's a little wet because you kind of want it like a paste. Yeah, so that is coming off much easier now, low. So we're having to do a lot less scrubbing. I'm just gonna go ahead and spray it off so you guys can kind of see how we're doing so far. So that's what we're looking like, and I'm gonna go ahead and just continue with the pad and the Barkeeper's Friend, and I will see you guys in a minute. Okay, so I just got finished cleaning all of this. It really didn't take but about 5 minutes of heavy duty scrubbing. And one thing I will say, if you can scrub in the direction of the scratches, that grease will come off a lot better. Okay, so here comes the reveal. I'm so excited. So you can see it's kind of, the stuff on there is kind of gross. So let's go ahead and clean it off. Look at that. Look how shiny that is. Now you're still gonna have the scratches, but that's okay. We got all of that grease off. That Barkeeper's Friend does leave a little bit of a residue on the pan, so I'm gonna go ahead and just wash it with my regular dishwashing soap just to get all that residue off. And then we'll do the final reveal. Well guys, look how nice this pan looks now. It looks so nice and new. Well, I wouldn't say all new because we do still have some of those beautiful scrape marks from cooking. This one is like my favorite pan. I love these pans because they're so nice and light, and they're healthy for cooking as well. Well guys, I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe down below if you haven't done so already, and if you'd like to see another video, click on the video link right here, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Bye!